sitting with one of my patients who had the Deuk laser disc repair instead of a fusion. Sitting here now, what was your surgery, a week ago?
Yes, last Thursday.
How do you feel today?
I feel tremendously great compared to where I was and where I am now. It's night and day.
And you live locally, right?
Yes, here on the Treasure Coast.
On the Treasure Coast of Florida. And why did you choose to come to Deuk Spine Institute?
I previously had a microdiscectomy surgery that did not go well. I ended up with a bone infection. It took me a little time to get the nerve up to decide to do something else. My wife found your institute online. After visiting with you and thinking about it and getting other opinions, I decided to go with the Deuk Spine Institute.
And you were offered by other surgeons fusions for your discs above your infected disc. Why did you not want to do the fusion surgery?
I didn't want to take that chance of having another harsh surgery compared to what I went through before.
Fusions also are high risk for infection. I don't know if they told you that, but infections are real and they're serious, and they occur with open back surgery. They don't occur with the Deuk laser disc repair. We've not had a single infection, to my knowledge, from the Deuk laser disc repair in 17 years, 1,700 surgeries. You found out about Deuk Spine online?
Yes, my wife told me about it. I went on to watch your channels on YouTube and watch the different procedures. It was just a tremendous recovery time for people, how quickly they were versus if they were to have different types of surgeries.
And how long was your recovery after your Deuk laser disc repair? How long did you stay here recovering?
I went home the same day, that afternoon.
What was your life like before your Deuk laser disc repair surgery? How much pain were you having in your back and in your leg?
It was extreme. It was hard to get up every morning and get motivated to do anything. And then after my surgery, I get up in the mornings, I feel great. I'm moving without any pain like I was before. It's such a difference, and I recommend anybody come here, get checked out by these guys, because they know the whole staff, everybody is just great, works with you, helps you out. There's no just giving you something and telling you what you need without giving you an explanation and helping you through the process.
I appreciate you saying that, and my staff do as well. You can see during your surgery, we actually went in, instead of with the big incision like you would with a fusion or microdiscectomy, we went from the side, and we used the laser to clean out the herniation and get rid of the back pain that you've been having for how long now?
2 years.
2 years of back pain. You happy with the results?
Absolutely. I can't thank you enough. There's not enough words.
Congratulations.
Absolutely. Thank you.
All right, go enjoy life.
I will. Thank you.